Hello everyone, welcome back to SoCalerific. We're here at Universal Studios Hollywood because Super Nintendo World had a technical rehearsal, a soft opening. We were able to be one of the first to enter the land, so I'm gonna walk around and show you all that Super Nintendo World has to offer. As you can hear, there's a lot of activity, so come along and let's go. Oh man. One-Up Factory, and it is decorated so nicely. It has like gears and it's just super colorful. Okay, here are the choices of power bands. And which ones did we get? Yoshi and Princess Peach. So the second thing after we got our power band, we headed over to Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, and let me tell you, that queue is amazing. It is just so awesome. Look at the Bowser statue. That's insane. Ride itself, you do have to wear like headgear, so you could adjust it to fit your head like nicely, because the better you make it fit, the better you're going to be able to see the ride. What I do like about like these ride vehicles is that like they're two levels, because whether you're sitting in the front or the back, you're going to get a good view of the ride. So I really like that they did that. Okay, so me and my sister, we just got off Bowser's Challenge. This is the only attraction they have in this land, but we're gonna give you a little review on what we thought. Okay, so what did you think?
I thought it was amazing. It was really cool, and I love Mario Kart.
So they have practical sets throughout the ride, but in order to get like the full experience, you have to wear the headset, because they show like a lot of animations on there. So you're using your steering wheel to like shoot shells and like shoot the bad guys. For me, to be honest, I don't know if I adjusted the headband correctly, but as I was wearing glasses, I couldn't get like a clear view of the screen. So next time I'm gonna try wearing contacts, maybe that will help. All right, so we purchased our power bands. So we're gonna go around right now and try some of the interactivity within the land just to see what it does. All right, just to let you know, be careful with your power band. I don't know why mine keeps doing this with it. So Super Nintendo World is super interactive. You could collect coins, but I do recommend getting the power band because it is super essential for you to enjoy the land fully. So there are like keys throughout the land, and you do want to collect them. So in order to collect the keys, you have to go play various games. Okay, right now I'm gonna have my sister try to knock off the Goomba. You think you could do it? Crank it! Go, Nani! Woo! You did it! There's another one like in the Thwomp area. That one was so fun. It's like the board is all lit up. You have to start changing all the colors. You have to do it super fast in order to collect your key. That one was one of my favorites. Oh my god! Get your key! Right here. They also do have a piranha plant one, but we were unable to do that one today. It was closed, so that one looks fun as well. And you can collect another key. It's like you have to line it up correctly. Like there are 3 POW boxes, and a green shell moves back and forth in a warp pipe. So you have to hit it at the right time, and then a little green shell appears above the pipe. You have to collect 3 keys in order to go to the boss round. That is where you fight Bowser Jr. All right, thank you. Oh, we are in Baby Bowser's lair, his castle. Oh, no Mario. Watch out, be careful. Whoa. Okay, so when you hit that block with your power band, it actually lights up this room.
Okay, let's go claim spots 1 and 2.
Thank you.
So we're going to hang tight here, and in just a few short moments, keep your eyes on the prize and on the portraits. That's where you are going to find out whether we're going to defeat Bowser Jr. and get back to World's International.
Here we go. Okay, so if you want to meet Mario and Luigi, this is where you can meet them in this location, right underneath this little piranha plant. They meet right over here.
Hello, come on up.
Hello, hi Luigi. Good, how are you? Hi Mario. So cute. Okay, ready, Nutty? 1, 2, 3. So this is where you could meet Princess Peach. She's across from the piranha plant, but she has like her own little gazebo. So this is where she's gonna meet guests, and it looks so amazing. So we're about to step in line. Hello, Princess Peach. You look so beautiful. Woo! Wow. Thank you. Okay, so now it's time for lunch, and me and my sister are gonna head into Toad's Cafe. So let's see what they have to offer. All right, here's a quick little menu before you go in the cafe. They do have pictures of what you could order. So here's a quick little view at the menu. They also hand you one of these. Right here we have the desserts, the beverages, the kids meal, starters and salads, and the main menu. And when you walk in, they have a place where you can use your power band, and she just collected her coin. All right, so when you come in, you get your menu, you decide what you want, then you go to the register to order, and then you gotta meet a hostess, and they actually sit you. Well, today that's what they did. They sat us down, asked for our party. They actually took our tray, carried our drinks, so that was super nice. Especially here at Universal, they don't really have like sit-down restaurants, so this one's run a little differently, so that is so awesome. Also, what I love is that I already love the theming. The cups are so adorable. They're Super Nintendo World theme. Also, even the napkin. And look inside of this restaurant. This restaurant looks amazing. I love all the details, and we got seated right next to Toad, the chef. All right, everyone, so that was our day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We were so lucky that we got to go in Super Nintendo World for the technical rehearsals. I gotta say, the land is a 10 out of 10. You must visit if you come to Universal Studios Hollywood. Definitely worth checking out, especially if you grew up with Mario like I did, if you like those games. It is such a fun land. I love the interactivity. I love like all the movement. It was just so fun. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.